So, hi guys, welcome to New Year 2025. Happy New Year to everyone. So, today also our journey started. We are bringing up a lot of programs to you guys by Python, Java, or any other trending languages. Also, we will bring, and even we will bring the projects also, small projects also. So today we are on the challenge of 100 placement programs where we have to beat the interviews also, right? So one of the famous question I have seen in most of the interviews are asking that is remove all constants from string. So remove all constants from string. This I have seen often so many times. So let's learn today how can you do this. Okay. So first of all, what is a consonants? What is a consonant? So you have to see consonants means nothing but A, E, I, O, U. It can be small letter, it can be capital letter also. A, E, I, O, U. Right? So if you see any string is having these characters, that has to be removed. So for example, if you take an example of hello. So you are having a word called hello. Okay, H E L L O. Now you see that which are the consonants here? So the consonants here is E, right? On the top you guys can see C, E and the other one is O, right? So you are getting E and O are removing. E and O are removing. Like that it has to come. Now if I say good morning, then you tell me guys what has to be removed? It has to remove O, O, one more O, then it has to remove I. That's it. So you can see the vowels are coming like this, right? O, 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 then that is one more I. So this has to be removed from here. So we will do this and see that how can be done. It is a very simple program that everyone can do. Okay. So you just guys follow with me and we will learn it. Okay. So let's start our program. Okay, guys. So let's start. So the thing is, what we have to do is we our point is to remove. So I'm going to put a comment over here. Remove. What is that? Python program, right? Again. So remove. What has to remove? All consonants. Consonants. So consonants from string. This is my question. Okay. So now how to do? Remove consonant from the string. So for removing the consonants from the string, first you need to give the string. You need to give the string. We can give so many strings and test it. Okay. So I'll give a string name, variable name as test str. You can give any name. Test str is equal. Right now I'll give a very simple word that is hello. Hello world. Okay, that's it. We'll remove the constants from here. Right, guys? So now we will print this and see that. Okay, I'll say print. Sorry, guys. I will take you to ideally and we will write it. We don't have to write in the notepad. We will directly go to the ideally and write it, guys. Okay, now we had learned a lot of programs. So it will be better to go with the ideally only. Okay, guys. My ideally is taking a little bit of time. So I'll copy this and put over here there. Okay, it has been opened. So I'm just putting it over here. Okay, now. So what has to be done? So we will be doing over here, right? I'll close this. I want to save this. Okay, now here what has to be done? I need to print this hello world first because I need to see that what string I had given, right? So I'll say the original string. So I'll say original string is. So I'm giving the original string over here, right? Now this is to be printed. So I say here test str. That has been printed over there, right, guys? Now, next thing is I need to remove the constants, right? So my next point is remove all consonants. So from string. So I'm removing my consonants from the string. Okay. So how do I erase? I will use the loop. Using loop. So what loop I will use? Sequence, normal loop. So for I created a variable called chr. In, I'm using in, sequence loop is in. So I'm connecting to my string. This is my string. Okay, string. Then indentation. Okay. Now I check if my CHR, I use the membership operator. I use the Python membership operator. CHR in, my Python membership operator is like this. A, E, I, O, U. I directly write. If your character is any one of these, A, E, I, O, U, small letter and capital letter to A, E, I, O, U. If my character comes in any of these, small letter A, E, I, O, U or capital letter A, E, I, O, U. Now what I have to do one more thing. I have to create one list here. I have to create one list. So I say empty list. RES, just an empty list over here, right? Now, if my character is coming, any of these, I put an indentation, then I say RS. I use Python function in list functions called extend. Extend that character, it will get extended to that list. It will get extended to that list. Okay, whatever the list is there, it will get extended to that. That is done. So if you are anybody, if you are catching your character in any of these, it will get extended over there, right? That's enough. Now afterwards, I wanted to make it back to the string. So for us, I say rs. I use the Python command. So rs is equal to, I say quotes dot join. Join what? That list. So it is in the form of list. So it will join together in a string and give you that. After that, I am telling, okay, just print the result. I'm just printing the result. So print string after. So string, what are the string you get from here, right? So consonant removal. So you are giving here consonants removal. Okay. Guys, consonants removal. Okay. So that string you will be printing over here, right? So what is that? You just need to tell us. You have to make it as a string. You have to make it as a string. So to convert it to a string, you have to use str. Just simply say str and then you put your res there. That's it. Finish. Done. This much only the program, right? This much is very easy, right, guys? So first we will just execute and see that, and then I'll explain you guys, right? Okay. Now I'll save it as a Python program. I'll go and save it. I say remove cons, consonants, I'll say. Okay. You can also give a meaningful name. So my removing consonants from the string. So let's run this program and see that, guys. So you can see hello world, how many are there? So guys, see here. You can even see here from here. I said hello world, right? So in the hello, E is one consonant and O, then again O, right? I got this, right? Now we will see another word and see that, okay? I will put one more as a good morning. So I'll put one more as a good morning. So here guys, see? Okay, it's like O, O, and we have, how many O's are there? 1, 2, 3, and we have I. So that is also exactly correct, right? So what we are doing, I'll explain you right now. Is like our name is, our string is good morning, right? So that string, this is the string and good morning, guys, good morning. So this string is putting in a test str. And that will be in a list like G, O, O, like in a list it will be. Like it will be normal. One I can take. So I created one list, RES. Then from the test str, I'll take one character. That is G. I'm giving to CHR. CHR will check that G is coming AEIOU or capital AEIO. It's not G, right? So it won't go inside. Again, it go back and take the O. O, it comes here, right? So O will be extended to this list. Okay. After that, again O. Again O will be extended to the list. After that, D. D, it is not coming in AEIOU, right? So it won't go. Again, space no. Again M no. Again O. Again O means it's coming in the list. Again, what it extended? R is no. M is no. I. I is coming in AEIO. Yes. So it will be extended. N no. G. So finally, whatever is coming, it is coming here. So that is why it is capturing everything in RES. And I am telling finally to join. That will be in the form of list, right? So I'll say join that rest together. And then I'm printing it in the string format. I'm printing for printing to the string format. I use strres. Now let's take a big word and see that. Okay, I'll say we are learning. We are removing consonants from string. So you can see how many things will be here, right? So that's, let's see that. So you can see here, this is also removing over here, right? So many guys, all the consonants has been removed from that, right? So guys, I hope you guys have understood how to remove all consonants from the string. So you guys go ahead and practice and do it. This I've seen that so many interviewers are asking these questions. And like, okay, go ahead and it's very simple, easy. I hope you have understood that. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comments. Don't hesitate to ask me. Ask me directly in the comments. I will obviously consider you and answer you also. And if you need any interview questions which you cannot crack it, you tell me that I will try to do it and help you out, right? Okay. And don't forget to subscribe and do put the notifications. We are bringing again so many programs to you guys. Please do like, subscribe, and promote our channels so that it will reach to all the students, all the people who are suffering for the to do a program. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.